Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter, that is changes around us. Students, change is the law of nature. Everything around us change. If we look around us, everything is changing. The temperature change from morning to evening, days to night, night to days, drying of wet clothes, growing of plant, etc. means everything around us change. We never fail to notice them. Okay. So there are various types of changes. The first one is fast and slow changes. Those changes that takes a long time to complete are known as slow changes, and whereas those changes which takes very fast or little time to complete are known as fast changes. Example, burning of matchstick, it is the fast change, and rusting of iron filling, it is the slow change. Next type of change is reversible and irreversible change. So what is reversible change? In a reversible change, a materials turn into something that looks and feel different, but then it can be changed back to its original form. Means it is reversible. We can change it into the original form. See this picture. First of all, water freezes to form ice, and then ice on heating, and when it melts again it forms water. So when we put some water in the freezer of a refrigerator, it will turn into ice, and if then we'll warm it, then ice melts and changes back into the water. So this is called reversible change. Next is irreversible change. An irreversible change is a permanent change that cannot be undone. Means it cannot be reversed. Generally it is in the permanent nature. For example, baking a cake, when we make the cake, again it cannot be made into the dry ingredients. Metal rusting, then frying an egg, making cement, and burning the paper. Next change is periodic change. The changes which repeat themselves are called periodic changes. Example, day and night, it is repeating. Phases of the moon, beating of heart, clock striking again an hour are the examples of periodic change. Okay. So the changes that repeatedly occurs after a regular time interval are called periodic changes. Next is non-periodic changes. Changes which do not occur at regular intervals of time are called non-periodical changes. Example, eruption of volcanoes, earthquakes, forest fire, etc. are non-periodical changes. So therefore the changes which do not occur after a fixed time period are known as non-periodical changes. You can see the difference between the two changes. Periodical change which occur periodically at regular interval time, and non-periodical change, the change which do not occur periodically at regular intervals of time. Next type of change is desirable and undesirable change. So the change which are desired, which need to be changed, are called desirable change. That is good change. That is change of milk to curd, reopening of roads, etc. And undesirable change, the change which are not desired to change, means it is not needed to change, are called undesirable change. Example, earthquakes, etc. You can see the difference of both the changes in the next picture. See, desirable change brought by the man, nature, which produce useful or good things. And undesirable changes brought about by nature or man, which produces useless or bad result. Examples of desirable change are rain bringing water to the crops, change of milk to curd, and examples of undesirable change are rain causing destruction by floods, this type of milk turning sour. This is the end of explanation. Next class we'll see more about the types of changes. Till that time, thank you.